In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by using Claude to extract action items directly from Slack. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by a busy channel where tasks get buried under hundreds of messages, this integration is going to be a complete lifesaver for you and your team. To get started, open your Claude chat window and look for the plus icon located inside the main chat bar. When you click this, a menu of integrations will appear. You need to look for the Slack option and simply toggle that switch to the position marked as on. This small step grants Claude the necessary permissions to securely access your workspace communication so it can provide you with accurate summaries. Once that is set up, the real magic happens in the way you structure your prompt. You should be as specific as possible to get the best results. You will want to type something like, "Please scan the recent messages in a specific channel name about a particular project or topic." Then, you should tell Claude to extract all explicit and implied action items into a clean list that clearly shows the task, the assigned owner, and the deadline. This is incredibly powerful because it finds the subtle tasks that might not have been phrased as a direct command but are still crucial for the project to succeed. Claude will then process the conversation history and present you with a perfectly organized rundown of everything that needs to get done. You no longer have to spend 20 minutes scrolling through old threads just to figure out who is responsible for what. It transforms a messy conversation into an actionable plan in just a few seconds. This tool ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and keeps your entire team focused on their priorities. I hope you find this integration useful for boosting your productivity. Thank you for watching and goodbye.